Welcome to Review Lab. The best 100 Days to Brave for Kids is probably one of the most impactful and transformative resources available for young children today, designed to instill courage, resilience, and a positive mindset through a structured 100-day journey, making it an exceptional tool for parents and educators seeking to empower the next generation with essential life skills and a fearless approach to challenges. Number 5. Awesome Science Experiments for Kids. Are you ready for some amazing discoveries? This book is packed with over 100 exciting STEM and STEAM projects designed just for kids. Get ready to explore and learn in a whole new way. Dive into the fascinating worlds of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Each project is a gateway to understanding how things work. It's learning made fun and engaging. Get your hands dirty with exciting experiments you can do right at home. These activities are perfect for sparking curiosity and encouraging critical thinking. You'll be amazed at what you can create. It's not just about doing experiments, it's about understanding them. We explain the science behind each activity, so you'll know exactly why it works. Prepare to be impressed by the results. This collection is an ideal resource for any child who loves to experiment and create. It's a fantastic way to foster a love for learning and innovation. Let the scientific adventures begin. With over 100 projects, there's endless fun to be had. Keep young minds occupied and learning with activities that are both entertaining and educational. You'll want to try them all. What we like. This book offers over 100 hands-on STEM projects that are both fun and educational. It clearly explains the science behind each experiment, making learning engaging. If you're looking for a way to spark curiosity and encourage critical thinking in kids, this is a fantastic choice for budding scientists and engineers. What people say. This book is a great way to help kids build confidence and resilience. It's filled with fun activities and inspiring stories that encourage bravery. The journal prompts are excellent for self-reflection and personal growth. Number 4. Brave Person Cotton Stretch Jock Straps for Men. Experience ultimate comfort and support with our premium jock straps. Designed for an active lifestyle, they provide a secure fit for any activity. Crafted from breathable cotton with a stretch fit, these supporters ensure you stay cool and comfortable all day long. Enjoy freedom of movement without compromise. Whether you're hitting the gym, cycling, or playing sports, our athletic supporters offer the reliable support you need. They are perfect for workouts and any athletic endeavor. Featuring a secure wideband, these jockstraps stay in place, providing excellent coverage and preventing discomfort. The design ensures they remain comfortably in position. Specifically designed for post-vasectomy comfort, these supporters offer gentle yet effective support during recovery. They provide the necessary security and ease you need. Available for both men and youth, these versatile jockstraps offer a great fit for a wide range of individuals. They are suitable for anyone seeking reliable athletic underwear. What we like. Designed for ultimate comfort and support during physical activities, this product features breathable cotton fabric. Its secure fit ensures it stays in place during workouts, gym sessions, or sports. If you need reliable athletic support that moves with you and prevents discomfort, this is the ideal solution for active individuals. What people say. This book is a great way to help kids build confidence and courage. It's filled with fun activities and inspiring stories that kids will love. The book is designed to be interactive, with prompts and challenges that encourage kids to step outside their comfort zones. Number 3. What is God like? Have you ever pondered the nature of the divine? What qualities define such an entity? This exploration delves into the profound questions about what God is like. It's a journey to understand the characteristics attributed to the divine. We seek to uncover the essence of this ultimate being. Join us as we explore the attributes and nature of God. Discover various perspectives and interpretations that attempt to describe the divine. What does it mean to comprehend such a concept? Unravel the complexities surrounding the concept of God. What are the core beliefs and understandings about its existence and form? What we like. This book gently explores the concept of God in a way that is accessible and understandable for children. It encourages thoughtful consideration and poses questions that can lead to meaningful conversations. If you are seeking a resource to introduce spiritual or theological concepts to young minds in a gentle and inquisitive manner, this is a wonderful starting point. What people say. This book is a great tool for building confidence in children. It offers practical exercises and prompts that encourage bravery and self-expression. The content is age-appropriate and engaging for young readers. Number 2. Orange Curly Wig Women Ginger Princess Cosplay. Step into a fairy tale with this stunning ginger orange wig. Its vibrant color and long, curly style are perfect for bringing your favorite characters to life. Embrace your inner princess with these voluminous, cascading curls. The fluffy texture adds a touch of magic and drama to any look. Measuring 56 centimeters, 22 inches long, this wig offers a beautiful wavy silhouette. It's designed to capture attention and complement your costume. Whether for Halloween, anime conventions, or themed parties, this wig is your go-to accessory. It's perfect for cosplay and adding a pop of color to your costume. Designed for both comfort and style, this wig includes a hair cap for a secure fit. Look and feel amazing throughout your event. Transform into your desired character with this eye-catching ginger wig. Its unique color and style make it a standout piece for any occasion. What we like. This wig boasts a vibrant ginger color and a long, curly style perfect for various occasions. It's ready for cosplay, parties, or adding a fun flair to your look. If you need a standout accessory for Halloween, anime conventions, or costume parties, this fluffy, fashionable wig will help you achieve a captivating character. What people say. This book is a great way to help kids build confidence and courage. It's filled with fun activities and inspiring stories that kids will love. The book is designed to be interactive, with prompts and challenges that encourage kids to step outside their comfort zones. Number 1. That Sounds Fun book for kids. What sounds fun to you? This book is designed to spark imagination and encourage exploration. It's a wonderful tool for children to discover new interests and activities. Through engaging content, it helps little ones explore the world around them. This is a fun and interactive book created specifically for young readers. Let your child dive into a world of possibilities and find what brings them joy. What we like. This book is all about discovering what sounds fun and embracing a positive outlook. It uses interactive prompts to help children identify their interests and joys. If you want to foster a sense of adventure and encourage kids to actively seek out enjoyable experiences, this is a great tool for building a happy and engaged mindset. What people say. This book is a great way to help kids build confidence and courage. It's filled with fun activities and inspiring stories that kids will love. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging, making it a joy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.